But first and foremost, let me congratulate all the ones that passed and obtained the CDLs. All the ones that are driving bottle sales, regional, dedicated, home daily. It's a blessing to be owner ops, you know. And I want to say, God is good always. And focus, use your mirrors, keep it following safe distance, and drive slow, man. Take your time, don't rush. The load's gonna get there, or the load's gonna be picked up. If you're not gonna make it on time, send a macro 22, and that'll take care of that. Okay, my peoples? But first, let me answer these emails. I have like 14 emails, and there's drivers that are currently on Qualcomm. They are using Qualcomms, and there's other drivers that are using Zonar. A lot of these companies has updated their system to Zonar. Zonar is okay. In my opinion, everything has ups and downs. So Zonar, the only thing that I don't like about Zonar is that when you go and buy a scale, you know, when you're near a scale, it'll normally give you a bypass. The Qualcomm gave you a bypass to just continue on, you know, but this one don't. Okay, and also the Qualcomm said if you was going over the speed limit, like if you were over the speed limit, it'll also give you that warning. This one don't. Now, a lot of people saying that how come they can't get messages, but they can send messages. They can hear the notification beep, but they can't see it. So I'm going to show you how to reset this so that you can continue on to get messages. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to reset this real quick, so you can get all your messages. All right. Okay, I have the Samsung Zonar here. Okay, now real quick. Yeah. So then what's going on is that, you know, after a while, these tablets, they intend to stop receiving messages. You know, so then I really don't know. I haven't figured that out yet. But I can help you reset it so you can be able to get all your messages. You know, a lot of people are saying that why they can hear a notification, but they cannot get their messages. Okay, so then I'm gonna show you real quick. Then this is for Swift. You know, I don't know if whoever company you work for has the same system, but again, I'm gonna show you. Just hit the shield, and then normally you should be on the message page. So let me see if I can dim this out real quick. Dim it out. Okay, so when you're at the message screen, so then let me just get the keyboard out of the way. So then what you do is right now, this is the message screen. This is where you get all your plans and you're on the messages. Okay, so then what you basically do is you'll go ahead and hit more, and when you see this next window come up, just hit log off. You see log out? That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna tap on log out, and that's it. And that's what you're gonna get. And once you get that, you get all your messages back. That's what it's doing. It's not gonna log you off the system. You're still gonna be logged in. And there it is. And then you're gonna get all these notifications. And then the Swift, they have their which is called the Point app. So then what you do is you go to the App Store. I use iOS. So you go to App Store and you type in Point, and there it is right there. And you open it, you download it, and you can get it on your phone. So right now, I have it on my phone. So it's a lot easier. Now, when I have it on my phone, I can send messages and receive messages and do my L call, my loader call, my E call using the phone while I'm inside the customer. But I cannot put myself on duty with my phone. Okay, you can only put yourself on duty, off duty on the tablet, not on your phone. But you can get everything, every messages, and say you want to take some time off or whatever, and you're on the weekend or you're home, you can send direct messages by using your macros. It's the same thing. Use your macros on the phone, and it pretty much works exactly the same as a tablet. That's how it's done. Okay, my peoples. So I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Be safe. God bless.